Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a recruiter or an HR or a business owner trying to streamline your hiring process, this video is for you. Today we are diving into JazzHR, a modern applicant tracking system built specially for small and mid-sized businesses. Hiring the right talent can be tough. Job boards, resumes, interviews, compliances, it's a lot. But Jazz HR makes this whole process simple, smart, and efficient. So, in this step by step guide, I will walk you through the features, how to use them effectively, and why Jazz HR is top tool for recruitment. Let's get started. So let's talk about why you need a tool like Jazz HR. So recruiting today isn't just about finding people, it's about finding the right people fast and efficiently. Whether you are running a startup or managing or growing enterprises, the hiring journey can quickly get overwhelming. So these are some features by Jazz HR. First one is managing job listing across platform. So when you have dozens of job posting, but sometimes it gets exhausted. But Jazz HR makes it effortless. With one click you can post your job opening to major jobs boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and more. Plus you get customizable career page that you can embed directly into your company's website, making everything look seamlessly and professional. The second one is hundreds of resumes. Going through resumes manually, that's old school. Jazz HR uses AI powered resume parsing and pre screening tools to automatically highlight the most qualified candidates. You can even set a knockout question to instantly filter applicants who don't meet your core requirements, saving hours of work. The third one is endless interviews. Coordinating interviews become a breeze with Jazz HR's built-in interview scheduling tool. Now, it syncs with the Google and Outlook calendar to avoid conflicts and lets team leave feedback, rate candidates, and collaborate in a real time, all inside the platform. No more endless emails, threads, or miscommunication. The fourth feature is don't forget the compliance paperwork. Staying compliant is non negotiable. Jazz HR helps you to track EEO, GDPR, and other hiring regulation with built-in compliance tool. You will also get robust reporting features that makes audits easy and helps you to ensure a fair, transparent, and hiring process. So let's know what is Jazz HR. So, what exactly is JazzHR? It is an applicant tracking system, but more than that, it's a fully recruitment solution designed to post job, parse resume with AI, schedule interviews, and collaborate with hiring teams, staying compliant with the hiring laws, all from one single user-friendly dashboard. So, let's talk about key feature, how to style. VoiceOver with just one click, Jazz HR lets you post job listing across the top platforms like Indeed, LinkedIn, Ziff, Recruiter, or Glassdoor. Plus, you can even embed a custom career page directly into your company's website, giving you candidates a seamless application experience. This expands your reach and help you to attract more qualified applicants faster way. Every company has a unique hiring flow. Jazz HR lets you customize yours as well. You can set stages like resume screening, phone interviews, and final approvals. Everything. Just everything drag and drop and super easy to manage. So let's talk about their AI powered resume screen. If you're tired of reading through every resume manually, Jazz HR built-in AI does that heavy lifting. It's automatically key info and uses pre-screening filters or knockout question to instantly disqualify unqualified applicants. So you only focus on the best. So let's talk about their collaborative hiring and scheduling tool. Recruitment Recruitment is a team effort. Jazz HR allows HR teams like hiring manager and interviewers to share their notes, leave candidate feedback, assign tasks, and schedule interviews. Plus, it integrates directly with the Google and Outlook calendars to prevent scheduling conflicts. Now, JazzHR comes with the ready-to-use email template, so you can send interview invites, follow-ups, rejection emails all automatically and on time, keeping your candidates engaged and informed throughout. So, compliance and reporting tools, which we have talked about earlier. Staying compliant is a critically important. JazzHR helps track EEO, GDPR, and other stuff. It also provides real-time analytics on things like diversity hiring, time to hire, and pipeline bottlenecks, giving you actionable insight to improve your process. Now, why Jazz HR is a top choice? First of all, so why is Jazz HR one of the top rated recruiting tools in 2025? First of all, it's affordable and scale with your business. Has a super intuitive interface, as you can see over here, and it comes packed with the automation. They have AI tools, lots of tools you can use as well. It is ideal for small and mid-sized companies who wants the power of an enterprise grade system without complexity. So final thought is JazzHR isn't just a tool, it's a smart hiring partner. From posting jobs to onboarding new hires, JazzHR saves your time, improves your candidate experience, and ensure your hiring process. So, if you are serious about modernizing your recruitment strategy and building a high quality team, Jazz HR is a tool worth trying. I will leave a link below. You can download it, you can sign up with that. And if you found this video helpful and informative, you can just simply subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.